Hello again, everybody. Montgomery Collections here today with an Argentine Model 1891 bayonet. These bayonets were actually made on contract from Germany. On the left Ricasso, you can see Weiersberg, Kirschbaum and Company, Solingen, Germany. Manufacturer and the place that it was made. This particular bayonet only cost me $75. You can see that there is a little bit of rust on the palm on the cross guard. But that doesn't take away from the overall look of this bayonet. I think that you can pick them up for around or under $100 at this point. These are fairly common bayonets. Don't be fooled. I've seen some eBay prices that are out of their mind. But let's go ahead and first talk about the fact that this is a silver alloy grip. They were also made with brass grips, and those were used by Argentinian police and Navy. This bayonet has a matching number with the scabbard, and I don't think that's very rare at all. I think that's pretty common, in fact. As I said, these are common bayonets, so a matching scabbard, probably common. It doesn't look like it's seen any action at all, so I think these are also peacetime bayonets, but I could be wrong. Please correct me if I am. Anyway, the particular serial number on here is S6982. We go over to the right Ricasso, and we see S692. Can't read what that says because the Argentinian crest has been ground off. And that was due to a law in Argentina at the time that said any weapons that were being exported had to have their crest ground off of it. Even though you can read Modelo Argentino 1891 fairly clearly on there. And one of the marks on here, one of the many marks, is an RA, which stands for Repubblica Argentina. You can also find that, if that's not enough, right here on the ball finial. There are many marks on this this bayonet here. We've got an R on the cross guard. We've got a very small M on the grips there. I think that might be on both sides. Also, somewhere on the inside of the crossguard here, we've got some kind of a G. Let's see if I can get this to focus at all. Some of these marks, you're probably just going to have to take my word for it. There's a G on the inside of the crossguard. On the false edge, we have an A. On the bottom of the grips, we have a number 29. And we also have what looks like a star of some sort. Not sure what that's supposed to be. There we go. 29, and the star is over here. And even, this one you're especially going to have to take my word for, this press catch, when you press it, when this pops up, there is a number 249 and, or 429, excuse me. There's a 429 and some other illegible marking underneath there. One thing that I did forget to mention is that these come with the, the silver alloy and the brass grips. Its twin, the Model 1909, looked almost exactly the same. In fact, I think it was pretty much the same, except it had wood grips. So, it looked even nicer, in my opinion. I do like the wood grips. But these silver alloy grips just kind of make it a pretty unique looking weapon. One other thing real quick is that the scabbard has a tapered mouth, and you won't be able to see it because I probably won't be able to get this focused, but there is a letter E on the inside lip. Now, a tapered scabbard mouth means that the bayonet can only go in one way. Some people think that that's kind of a dumb idea because, in the midst of battle, if you go to put your bayonet away, you don't get it in the right direction. It doesn't go in the scabbard. You throw it away or what have you. I think it's kind of a good idea because I'm pretty sure that any soldier should know that, you know, you put your bayonet in like this. You have your ring facing up, like that. Anyway, in my opinion, it's because it looks uniform on all the soldiers. The quillin faces one way, but that's just my opinion. I don't know if that's fact. Now, two other things to note. Argentina modded these to fit their US M1 Garands. I think that would look kind of funny. Peru also used shortened versions of these, the brass and alloy ones, and in that case the serial numbers weren't even printed on the blade. So that's all I have for you today. That's all the information that I have. This is the Argentinian Model 1891 bayonet, and I'm Montgomery Collections. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like bayonets, check out my other bayonet videos on my channel.